Good morning to you. It is Monday, July the 19th, and thank you for clicking on to today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video here. And we had an unsettled weekend in many areas across the region. Some showers, some storms, pretty intense storms at times, some localized flooding, some wind damage at times, a lot of cloud to ground lightning. And today is going to be another pretty unsettled weather day again, and we'll get into that, plus some pretty oppressive heat and humidity coming as we get deeper into the week. Let's take a peek at the radar imagery this morning. Like usual, I'm cutting this video during the 5 a.m. hour, and at that point in time, we had a cluster of rain and storms anywhere from eastern Tennessee into western Virginia and southeastern Kentucky. That is with an upper-level disturbance that will be impacting our region today. This is the GFS at 2 o'clock this afternoon, and there is our little disturbance. It's going to cruise pretty close to the North Carolina-Virginia border, and it'll be interacting with this very soupy air mass we have in place and give us a good coverage of some showers and storms today. More on that in a second. Here's our wind stream lines this morning, and notice we have this southerly and southwesterly flow very well established, so there's our dew point temperatures this morning. Many spots in the low 70s for dew points, so it is a soupy air mass. And again, as we have this disturbance interacting with the soupy air, the result will be some showers and storms today. Now, let's look later this week. This is actually Thursday evening, and there's the dreaded 594 decameter ridge sitting over the southeastern part of the country. That'll be with us right on through the weekend, and so some heat and humidity certainly on tap. Today, though, scattered showers and storms across the region, and like we've been seeing, any of these storms that develop could produce some damaging winds. Certainly locally heavy rainfall with all this very high moisture content air in place, and also pretty prolific lightning at times. Still some scattered storms tomorrow, but then the storm chance becomes pretty limited on a daily basis as that upper level ridge begins to take over. I'm going to mention some isolated storms possible Wednesday, but then I've actually kind of removed rain from the formal forecast Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and notice on those days there's our 20-degree line up at 850 millibars, and if you've watched the videos, I oftentimes point that out. That's a good indication when it's going to get pretty hot and unpleasant, and I think that's what we're going to see later this week. How hot? I think we're looking at a lot of mid to upper 90s for highs from midweek into the weekend. Certainly a few spots could hit triple digits, especially this weekend. And not much relief at night. We're only talking mid-70s for lows as we get through the week and into the weekend. And while I like I mentioned, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I've removed rain from the formal forecast. There still could be an isolated storm on a daily basis, but it appears the chance of rain in any one spot gets pretty low as the week unfolds. All right, quickly, the tropics, couple areas of mild interest out there, one in the Caribbean Sea, one moving near Puerto Rico today, and there's a satellite imagery this morning. Neither one of those areas particularly impressive, and I don't think there's any immediate development about to occur in the tropics, but that's the area to watch. The Caribbean Sea toward the Bahamas, we'll keep an eye down that way over the next couple of days. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great Monday, and God bless.